Now we will do speed log. GPS gives us the speed over the ground, that is over the seabed. So speed of the ship with respect to the ground is given by GPS. And speed log gives us the speed of the ship with respect to the water. Now when we are driving a car or walking on a road, we have only one type of speed, which is the GPS speed, because there is no water. And but on ship, since you have water and sometimes you have a current, so current is defined as horizontal flow of water. So this is something like a treadmill. If you are on a treadmill, this is the treadmill and this is the ground. If you are walking at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour on the treadmill, so you have two types of speed. You have a speed with respect to the treadmill, which is 5 kilometers. Sorry, yeah, that is with respect to the treadmill belt is 5 kilometers. And what is your speed with respect to the ground, that is the floor? 0. So similarly on ship, you will have a speed through the water. If the current is 0, then your GPS speed will be exactly equal to the speed by the speed log. So speed log is an instrument. There are three or four types which we will discuss later on. Each type, it gives you the speed through the water. Now suppose your ship is tied up alongside in a port. Ship is tied up with ropes and the current is 0. So now you have these two instruments on the ship. One is the speed log and one is the GPS. So what will the GPS show? Ship is tied up. This is the ship, seawater, and the ground. So what is the speed of the ship with respect to the ground when she is tied up is shown by GPS, which will be 0. And if the current is also 0, what will the speed log show? 0. 0. Now suppose you start getting a current of 1 knot. So what will the GPS show on this ship which is tied up? It will show 0 because with respect to the ground, ship is tied up. And what will the speed log show in this case? Current is 1, current is flowing like this past the ship. So speed of ship with respect to the water, sea water will be how much? 1. Speed log will show 1 knot. Let's take another case. Now suppose the ship is drifting at sea, means engines are stopped and she is drifting and the current is 0. So this ship is not tied up, she is just drifting at open sea and this is the ground. So what will the GPS show? Speed of ship with respect to ground, current is 0. So GPS will show 0. And what will the speed log show? Speed of ship with respect to the water, 0. Now suppose you get a current like this of 1 knot. Now ship will start moving along with the water at 1 knot because she is stopped and drifting and now you have a current. So what will the GPS show? What will be the speed of ship with respect to the ground? 1 knot. And what will the speed log show? Now ship is going along with the water at speed of 1 knot. That is the GPS speed of 1 knot. So speed drop will show how much? 0. Because ship and the water is moving at the same rate. So the speed of the ship with respect to the water is 0. Now we do one more example. A ship is sailing in open sea with a GPS speed of 10 knots. So GPS is showing 10 knots and there is current which is 0. So what will the speed log show? 10 because current is 0 and ship is moving in this direction. Now suppose you get a 1 knot current. This current suddenly changes from 0 to 1. Now what will the GPS show? Initially there was no current. GPS, the speed of ship with respect to the ground was 10 knots. So now you get a current in this direction which is known as opposing current or unfavorable current or head current. So your GPS speed will drop down. It will start showing 9 because you have a resistance from forward. Now GPS will show 9. You have a current of 1 knot, adverse current. We also call it adverse current. So what will the speed log show? What will be the speed of ship with respect to the water? Now water starts flowing like this. And ship is moving with respect to ground at 9 knots. So it will show 9 plus current 10 knots. Speed log will show 10 knots. So that means speed log always shows GPS speed plus current if the current is adverse. Now let's take another example. The same ship, GPS speed 10 knots, current 0. Speed log is also showing 10 knots. Now you have a following current. Suddenly, current was 0. GPS was showing 10, speed log was showing 10, current was 0. Now suddenly you have a falling current. This is also known as favorable current of 1 knot. So what will the GPS show now? Initially it was 10 when current was 0. Now we have a pushing current. So it will show 11 knots. And what will the speed log show? Water is also going like this. Ship is also going. So what is the ship is going faster than the water. So what is the speed of the ship with respect to the water? It will be 11 minus 1. So that means your speed log speed is GPS speed minus current. 11 minus 1. If the current is favorable. So now we will discuss types of speed log. There are basically 3 or 4 types. One is patent log, one is pitot log, third is electromagnetic log, and the most modern one is Doppler log. We will do this one by one in the next video.